Hey everyone, I'm going to show you the absolute easiest way to remove people from photos on your iPhone. Whether you want to cut someone out who you know or remove people from the background, this app can do it with just a few taps. No drawing required.
The app is called Removex. That's one word, remove with an X on the end. You can search it on the App Store, but I'll also provide a link in the description. Once you've got that downloaded, choose the photo you want to remove people from. Once the app has found people, you can pick who you want to remove. The app uses cutting edge in AI tech, and the results can be absolutely incredible, even with a complicated background, as you can see. Let's try removing the other person from this photo. The results are still absolutely brilliant. The cool thing is, these changes go straight to the photo that's already on your phone, and it keeps the picture in its original quality. If you ever need to undo the changes, you can just do it from the app, or by reverting changes on the Photos app on your iPhone. I made this really cool photo of the Leaning Tower of Pisa with my friend, but behind us there are loads of people. So what we can do is select all the people to clean up from the background. Much better.
So there we have it. That's Removex. If you found this helpful, make sure to give the video a like and let me know in the comments. How did you get on with the app?